Today, hi guys, hello. Sorry. Welcome back to another video. And we're gonna read a story for the new kids was never known this story like this.
Ako naman ito.
Ayan. Three top twins wilderness adventures. Makinig lang kayo dito.
Storytelling siya. Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Yes.
The
Glim.
the snow gleam and
Dashiell.
as the sun glinted off the ice. The treetop family have returned their time machine into a snowmobile and they have traveled not back in time but far away
Basa ka lang, basa lang din.
to Antarctica to study the shine strap penguins. I don't know why you twins have both the toboggans, said Professor Pablo. Because tobogganing is so much fun, said Ted. And even serious scientific professors like us need to find time for fun. And Professor Penlow, we're too busy to have fun today, said, said Professor Pablo firmly. I want to film the shine strap penguins underwater. In the distance, they could see down the hill to the shore where the penguins were gathered, and they could hear them shrieking away on the edge of the water. Professor Pablo was heading for the snowmobile when Ted had a suggestion. We could to toboggan down, he said. I think that's an excellent idea, said Professor Penlow. Then we get to do our work and have fun. Ito yung picture.
Nice. Galing nga.
Next page. So they loaded the equipment on the toboggans, pointed them downhill, and whoosh! The treetop family tobogganed
Nabasa ako, pero gusto
down
niya magbasa.
to the shoreline. Woohoo! So, shouted Professor Pablo as he shot down the hill. Down by the water, the shine-strap penguins were feeding their baby chicks. They're so sweet, said Tulip. The adult penguins looked as if they were wearing little woohoo. Ito yung picture.
Ano ba yan?
Next page. Old-fashioned motorcycle helmets with straps under their shins. And the chicks were gray and brown and fluffy. Why are there always two chicks chasing after the bigger penguins? Asked Asha. That's because most shine strap penguins families have twins, explained Professor Penlow. Just like us, said Tulip. Ito yung picture. Ito, tapos ito. Next page. The penguins were very clumsy on the ice, waddling from side to side or sliding on their tummies. And every time a parent shines trap penguin waddled up and came back with food in its mouth. Its two babies would run after it both, wanting to get speed press. It looks as if they're playing a game and Alfie. We think they have these food races to the penguins can feed the babies separately and make sure each gets the same amount of
Ilang page yan?
21.
Hmm.
The same amount of food, said
Layo pa.
Professor Pablo. Just then one of the shine-strap penguins dived into the water, followed by another again. Everyone, let's go, said Professor Pablo and the treetop. Ito yung picture. Family got ready to film the penguins underwater. They put on the dry suits which would keep them warm in the icy water, and waddled around as if they were shine-strapped penguins themselves, and then they all dived in and swam after the penguins underneath the ice. The shine-strapped penguins that have been so clumsy on land glided through the water elegantly, and they were so quick to more than 3 times faster
Dapat pala
than
naka-live
the
tayo. Kasi mahaba to, hindi
fastest
ma-upload.
human swimmer. Ito yung picture.
Kaya nga. Hindi siya ma-upload kasi tingnan mo. Dapat naka-live.
Live na tayo.
Kahit isang oras pa yan.
The portly little penguins flew underwater, and it was the clumsy humans who could keep up. It was a magical world under the ice. And the treetop family filmed not
Mag-live
only
tayo.
penguins but bright orange sponge and octopuses whose blue blood contain a natural antipresent seals and orcas. Ito yung picture. Next page. And they peeled until they all got tired and decided it was time for dinner. Nighttime in Antarctica. Antarctica. Elephant seals lolled on the ice floes, and wandering albatross flew lazily overhead. The treetop twins were warming up around the campfire after their swim under the ice. Professor Pablo decided to help warm them up by pretending he he was a parent shine-strap penguin and they were the baby chicks. He ran away with the supper and they had to run after him to get it back. Ito yung picture. It definitely made dinner time more interesting. The sun is still shone overhead because in Antarctica in the summer the sun never sets. So long time after supper, the whole time Trita family rode around on their toboggans until it was time for bed. Woohoo! Shouted Professor Pablo as he showed down the slopes. He had forgotten how much fun tobogganing was, and even scientific professors need to find time for fun. Ito yung picture. Next page. Tapos na to ah.
Ano kwento niyan? Ano ibig sabihin?
Three top twins while Wilderness Adventures. Ito yung picture nun.
Ano ang ginawa nila? Anong
Ito yung
sabi
last.
ng kwento?
Yung mga kwento dito, ano? Yung mga penguin at saka yung treetop family.
Anong ginawa
Yung
nila?
mga tobogan, nag-slope sila. At saka
Tapos,
yung mga, kapag nag-sunset, ano, hindi pa rin ano. Kung gusto nyo i-capture, scan this QR code to watch the animated Three Times Twins Adventures come to life as you read page. Ito. At saka, sure enough, at the bottom of the hill were two baby penguins. Yung mga ano daw, yung mga facts about shine-strap penguins, they can swim more than 3 times faster than the fastest human swimmer. Ito.
oh,
They type they typically lay they typically lay to
typically.
they typically lay two eggs during breeding season. Ito.
Galing ah.
They were called shine-strap penguins because they have a thin line of black feathers like a strap under their chin. Ito. Saka ito yung basa. Ito na yung tapusan ng adventure ng Three Top Twins Wilderness Adventures. Tapusan ng story. The twins pursue a penguin.
Tapos na.
Tapos na yung story na to.
Thank you sa story mo for today video.
Ano oras na ba? 10:17 na.
Bye!
Bye!